What are we cooking today, Joyce?
We're making a meatball with a spicy coconut milk sauce. But this is more like a Thai influence. I wouldn't say Thai because people are going to say it's not authentic. Nothing I do is authentic, news for you. I'm going to start cooking the shallot. You can use onion, but cut it small. Maybe better with using the shallot. You can easily cut it smaller. And then garlic. Then I'm cooking this and put it into the meat. The garlic. I'm going to cut the top off. Vegetable oil, like a tablespoon. I have to watch it, then I won't burn it. And then I'm going to put some garlic in it. I haven't had dinner, that's why. Yeah, me too. Okay, let it cook. I'm going to cut the beef to mince it in the food processor. This food processor is not designed to mince meat. That's why I have to cut the meat smaller.
What cut is that?
This is the French stick. Because it's great, it's lean, but it's tasty. The best place to get it is Chinatown because people use this to stir fry. Now, French stick is popular. That's why you can get it in like supermarket, but there's more money here. And then I don't think it's as fresh as Chinatown because they sell a lot of them.
How many pounds is that?
A little over a pound. In the recipe, I would just say 1 pound, but Colvin's here. Somebody on YouTube was saying that the chicken wrap, he said, oh, that looks so good. And I said, yeah, but I don't get any more because Colvin took everything. Then you can tell how good it was. Wow, that's a lot of meat, Colvin.
Yeah. Is there enough sauce for it?
No, this is a different sauce.
Oh, so there is a sauce that goes with it.
This is the coconut sauce.
Oh, right.
That's raw meat. I'm going to take it out. I'm going to marinate it and then make the flavor. Flavor this. Flavor this. Put a little bit of black pepper. Some black pepper. And this is breadcrumb.
Homemade?
I didn't make the bread. Don't go too crazy. And then half and half. You want to cut calorie, and we're not.
Yeah. Well, there's no carbs.
This
Well,
is called.
The breadcrumbs, but the half and half doesn't have carbs.
Yeah, 2 tablespoons. May not be as much.
What happened?
I don't know. You've been eating it. I saw you. Okay, I'm going to put it in the beef. And then I'm going to put the shallot. And then start making meatball. There's no chance of not tasty. You can smell it. Okay, I'm going to mix it.
So that's going to bind it?
Yeah. The breadcrumb is going to make it like a little bit more moist and the texture is nicer. When you cook meat, it becomes dry, but the breadcrumb bind it and at the same time will make it more soft. I'm going to make the meatball like about this size. And then I'm going to arrange here.
Are they going to shrink when you cook it?
A little bit. You know, some are a little bigger, some are a little smaller. This is homemade, handmade.
Hand rolled.
I'm going to use the same pan. This is flavor underneath. 1.5 tablespoons vegetable oil, and then wait till it get hot. I'm going to start putting it in. I'm going to put the sauce in the middle. That's why I'm putting it around. Don't move it until it forms a crust. Oh, he said, I just saw you move it. Because I need to fit everything in because of you.
Well, it's like it all fits, right?
Yeah, but I need the middle to put the sauce in. Let it cook. Eventually, we'll cover for a little bit. Okay, I'm going to flip.
The darker one from the onions, right?
Yeah, and you could cook this side. Yeah, I think the pan is too big for a hot plate. I'm going to put this chili sauce. You can put like lemongrass and stuff. I used to do that, but now I find this sauce is very good and less work. I need to put more, but I'm going to put some chicken broth in here. So I want to burn it. You just let it cook on the side. I'm going to try to mix it into the chicken broth. Then I cover it to make sure that they cook. Put coconut milk a little later. When you overcook coconut milk, it's not so good. I'm putting a little bit more in because Colvin want more sauce melt in here. I'm going to put a little bit more chicken broth and then I'm going to cover it. I'm going to put basil leaf on top when I'm serving it. But this is the branches from the basil leaf. It's a lot of flavor. That's why I'm going to put it in here. No waste. Okay, coconut milk in it. But shake it before you open
The whole thing in?
No, maybe not. Colvin said, why not? More sauce. Maybe next time I just make the sauce, forget about the meat part. But you're going to be hungry. You can tell the meatball is much cooked now. And I'm going to put the coconut milk in here. You think that's enough sauce, Colvin?
Yeah.
Just about. Give a chance to the coconut milk to go with the sauce. Okay. I'm going to cover it back. Let it cook for like 2 minutes, and when this is done, basil, roll it up, cut it really thin as possible, to sprinkle on top of it. Okay, that should be enough for it. Whoa.
Just in time.
Just in time. Throw these two things away. I think it's done. But also that this is beef, it's not 100%, it's not the end of the world, right? When we play it. You know what, I should put some juice in first. I turned it off already, it's still boiling.
Is that because it's electric?
That's the electric stove. Colvin said that's not enough sauce. Not even close. Happened the burn one look better.
Yeah.
What you want 4? You can always have, I think 3 look better, right? Just a little bit of basil.
Oh, pretty.
Picture time!